Good morning, students. How are you all? So, today we will be going to start a new lesson in social science. Second lesson, that is Bahmani Adil Shahs. Okay, so this is a lengthy lesson. Okay, not so lengthy, but a little. Okay, so there is more to learn in this lesson. Okay, so now we shall see about the introduction. Okay, in the history of Karnataka, Vijayanagara Empire was established in 1336 CE. So, as you learned in the previous lesson, that Vijayanagara Empire was established in 1336 CE. Later, on 3rd August of 1347 CE, the first Muslim dynasty, Bahmani Empire, came to exist. Okay, this Vijayanagara Empire established in 1336 CE, and later on 3rd August of 1347 CE, the first Muslim dynasty, which is known as Bahmani Empire, has also came to exist. So the founder was Alauddin Hassan Gangu Bahman Shah. So the battles were taking place continuously between Bahmani sultans and Vijayanagara kings. So there were consecutive battles between the Bahmani sultans and the Vijayanagara kings. Inner conflicts rose in the dynasty. By 1527 CE, five Shah dynasties came into existence. So there was inner conflicts rose in the Bahmani Empire, and by 1527 CE, the five Shah dynasties came into existence. Among them, Adil Shahis of Vijayapura were prominent. Main achievements of sultanates of this dynasty are discussed in this lesson. They also give prominence to literature and art and sculpture. So they have contributed a lot to literature and art and sculpture. So the achievements of Sultan Firoz Shah and famous Prime Minister Muhammad Gawan are discussed in this lesson. So the achievements of Firoz Shah and the Prime Minister Muhammad Gawan are discussed. With this, Bahmani state's significant contributions are also discussed. So now we shall see what will you learn after going through this lesson. So you will be able to know the contributions of Firoz Shah and Muhammad Gawan, to recognize the contributions in the field of literature, art, and sculpture by Bahmani sultans, to mark the important places of Bahmani sultans on the map, to know the important sultans of Vijayapur Adil Shahs, and to know the art, literature, and sculpture of this period. So now we shall move on to the lesson. So children, the Bahmani kingdom was established in the northern part of Vijayanagara Empire in 1347 CE. Okay, so the Vijayanagara Empire was established in the southern part of Krishna River, and the Bahmani dynasty was established in the northern part of Krishna River in 1347 CE. So the founder was Alauddin Hassan Gangu Bahman Shah. Who was the founder? Alauddin Hassan Gangu Bahman Shah. Bahman Shah was working in the army of Delhi Sultan Muhammad bin Tughlaq. So this Bahman Shah was working in the army of a Delhi Sultan known as Muhammad bin Tughlaq. So who is Bahman Shah? He is the founder of Bahmani dynasty. So now we shall learn about Bahmani Sultans, the first topic in this lesson. Bahmani kingdom had the parts of present Karnataka, Maharashtra and Andhra Pradesh, Telangana. So children, this Bahmani kingdom included the parts of present Karnataka, Maharashtra and Andhra Pradesh, Telangana states under its rule. So in the beginning, Kalaburgi, later Bidar were their capitals. Okay. So at the beginning, Kalaburgi was their capital, and later Bidar was their capital. Bahmani Empire was in the northern part of Krishna River, while Vijayanagara Empire was in the southern part of Krishna. Okay. Tajuddin Fir- Tajuddin Firoz Shah was the great Sultan of Bahmani dynasty. So now we shall know about the Tajuddin Firoz Shah. So children, the map which you can see here is the Bahmani dynasty, okay, in 15th century. So these are all, so this much from here to here was all the parts of Bahmani kingdom, okay. So here and from here that was Vijayanagara Empire. Okay, so this all southern part was of the Vijayanagara Empire and this part was of the Bahmani dynasty. Okay, so now we shall learn about the Tajuddin Firoz Shah. Okay, so he ruled from 1397 to 1422 CE. He was liberal, judicious, and a believer of God. So Tajuddin Firoz Shah was liberal, judicious, and a believer of God. He made copies of Quran and edited it for his whole life. So this Firoz Shah made copies of Quran and edited for his whole life. He was a writer and encouraged all the languages, and he was an expert in geometry and theology. Okay, so he was encouraging all languages and he was expert in geometry and theology. He sheltered many philosophers, poets, artists, and had honored them. They established an observatory in Daulatabad, Maharashtra. So they established an observatory in the Daulatabad, which is in Maharashtra. He propagated the beauty of the capital Kalaburgi. So he told about the beauty of the capital Kalaburgi. He built a new city called Firozabad on the bank of Bhima River, and he also built a new city called Firozabad on the bank of Bhima River. He gifted many villages to a Sufi saint Bande Nawaz who arrived in the kingdom during his period. So the Sufi saint who arrived during the period of Tajuddin Firoz Shah was Bande Nawaz. And this Firoz Shah gifted many villages to Bande Nawaz. Okay. So Tajuddin Firoz Shah concentrated on the development of ports and as a result foreign trade was encouraged. So now we shall learn about Muhammad Gawan. Okay. So children, all the credits making of Bahmani dynasty great goes to Muhammad Gawan. Okay. Basically, he was Persian and worked honestly as a prime minister in the reign of Sultanate Muhammad Shah III. So Muhammad Gawan was the prime minister in the reign of Sultanate Muhammad Shah III. And where was he from? Persia. So now we shall see some of the prominent Bahmani sultans. So Alauddin Hasan Gangu Bahman Shah was the first, and Firoz Shah, Ahmad Shah, and Muhammad Shah III were some of the important Bahmani sultans. Okay, now we shall see about the important factors of Muhammad Gawan. So Muhammad Gawan captured Hubballi, Belagavi and Goa from Vijayanagara Empire. So these were captured by Muhammad Gawan by Vijayanagara Empire, which was under the Vijayanagara Empire. Administration was according to Islamic laws. He encouraged revenue and postal services. He fixed the taxes on the basis of land's fertility and irrigation facility, and this tax was collected only in the form of cash. So now he removed some taxes which were annoying people, and he also removed some taxes which were annoying the people. So as a philosopher, Muhammad Gawan founded Madrasa University in Bidar. It encouraged Islamic religion and legal education. So Muhammad Gawan founded Madrasa. It was a university which is in Bidar, and it encouraged the Islamic religious was taught, and legal education, and it also encouraged legal education. Astronomy, mathematics, history were being studied here. So astronomy, mathematics and history were studied in this university. Free education and hostel facilities were also provided. Around 3000 manuscripts were in the library of Madrasa. Okay, so Muhammad Gawan contributed a lot in making Bahmani kingdom great. Regional leaders were jealous of his fame and conspired to have him murdered. Okay, so this Muhammad Gawan contributed a lot to make Bahmani dynasty great, but the regional leaders were jealous of his fame and they conspired to have him murdered. So on the Gawan's tomb it is written that innocent Gawan was killed. Okay, children, for today it's enough. In the next video, we shall continue more about this chapter. If you like my videos, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Please subscribe.